HubSpot versus Nimble, social media integrated CRM. Links to both products are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare HubSpot and Nimble, two popular CRM platforms with distinct strengths. While HubSpot is a comprehensive CRM with robust marketing and sales tools, Nimble focuses on simplicity and social media integration, catering to users who prioritize relationship building across networks. Let's dive into the features, who they're designed for, and how they differ. HubSpot is a full-featured CRM designed for businesses looking to streamline marketing, sales, and customer service in one platform. It offers advanced automation, lead tracking, email marketing, and pipeline management, making it ideal for medium to large businesses with a focus on scaling. HubSpot provides integration with social media, allowing users to schedule posts, monitor engagement, and even track the ROI of social campaigns. Additionally, its analytics tools are comprehensive, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions. HubSpot's strength lies in its ability to manage complex workflows, making it perfect for teams that need a powerful CRM to handle multi-channel marketing and detailed customer data. Nimble, on the other hand, is a lightweight, user-friendly CRM with a strong focus on social media integration. It's designed for small businesses, freelancers, and professionals who rely heavily on building relationships through platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Nimble automatically syncs and updates contact information from social media profiles, making it easier to keep track of leads and customers across networks. Its simple interface and emphasis on communication make it a great choice for those who don't need the complexity of a full-scale CRM like HubSpot. Nimble also integrates with popular productivity tools such as Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace, offering flexibility for smaller teams. In summary, HubSpot is the better option if you're managing a growing business that requires advanced CRM capabilities and marketing automation. Nimble is a fantastic choice for individuals or small teams who prioritize social media engagement and need a simple, relationship-focused CRM. Consider HubSpot for scalability and comprehensive features, and Nimble for its ease of use and social media emphasis. Links in the description provide more details on both platforms. Check them out.